The Onikuma 75% wireless gaming keyboard combines compact design with powerful features built for gamers and creators alike. Its innovative gasket structure and 5-layer sound absorbing padding deliver soft, quiet keystrokes while maintaining stability. With tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth 2.4G and USB-C, it pairs effortlessly with PCs, tablets, or phones, powered by a 4000 milliamp battery for long gaming sessions. Hot-swappable factory looped switches and durable PBT keycaps ensure a customizable and premium typing feel, while the multifunction knob and vibrant RGB backlighting add both control and style to any setup. Go ahead and listen to what it sounds like.